The world's most advanced paint shop will be installed in the Tesla Giga Berlin and Giga Texas. The cars produced there will have a unique, beautiful, and dynamic appearance thanks to revolutionary painting techniques. Tesla will debut 3 new colors with the commencement of manufacturing at Giga Berlin, and new photographs of the deep crimson color have emerged. Hey everyone, and welcome to Tesla News, where we bring you the newest and best updates about Tesla and Elon Musk. For daily videos, please consider subscribing to our channel. Today, we are going to see the details of the Tesla First Model Y with new paint out of Giga Berlin. So stay tuned with us till the end. Sawyer Merritt Twitter, who frequently posts secret Tesla information, shared a shot of a Model Y in deep crimson. Although he did not specify where the shot was taken, it is safe to infer that the car was built and painted at Giga Berlin's Superior Paint facility. Obviously, the snapshot does not capture the true color, particularly its depth, but it does give a sense of it. In an episode of the Third Row Tesla podcast, Elon Musk first discussed Giga Berlin's breakthrough paint shop. He appeared to be really enthusiastic about it. He told Third Row that the paint shop at Giga Berlin would apply 3 layers of paint to the factory's cars. As Musk says, in order to get dimensions on paint, you really need multiple layers. We're going to do this in Berlin for the first time. If you get dimension, there's something called flop, where you see the change in color with curvature. If you can do something like lay down a gloss layer, then lay down a layer with color tint, then lay down another gloss layer, you can get kind of a 3D feeling to the paint. It just pops. It's so much better than anything else. Giga Berlin will also release 2 new colors, Abyss Blue Multi-Coat and Mercury Silver Metallic, in addition to Deep Crimson. During the Giga Berlin launch party on October 9th, a body painted in Abyss Blue Multi-Coat was noticed. Of course, color perception is influenced by the device's screen color rendering, but it appears that this is a pretty dark color. As Musk has stated, it appears to be extremely voluminous and complicated upon closer inspection. Mercury Silver Metallic hasn't been seen yet, but it's predicted to be as rich and complex as Deep Crimson and Abyss Blue Multi-Coat. Teslarati.com has posted in an article where it says, it appears that Giga Factory Berlin is starting to awaken, as hinted at in recent flyovers of the facility's expansive complex. Based on new videos and images of the site, it appears that the first Model Y test bodies are now running through the paces in Giga Factory Berlin. According to Tesla CEO Elon Musk's words, the paint shop at the Giga Factory Berlin is on track to become one of the most advanced paint shops in the automotive industry. The facility's latest painting advances, according to the CEO, should open the way for colors that change based on where the spectator observes the car. Of course, this is just one of the benefits of the paint shop at Giga Factory Berlin. The facility will also enable Tesla to provide more paint options to its customers, increasing the diversity of vehicles produced in Germany. Tesla's current paint palette is somewhat limited, with only 5 colors available. Although the Giga Factory Berlin has yet to acquire final clearances, Tesla is actively preparing for the Model Y's forthcoming manufacturing. The corporation has been testing its production line equipment, according to previous pictures from the site. The paint business appears to be getting ready to open as well. Hopefully, such steps will allow Tesla to seamlessly ramp up production of the made-in-Germany Model Y. Tesla has announced online that a large amount of production equipment has already been placed at the company as it begins to test production procedures. When you look outside the Giga Berlin, recent images from the paint shop indicate that testing is in progress, indicating that mass production can commence as soon as the final environmental permission is received. You can see a lot of unfinished places, but the main building is ready. A lot of robots are already inside. The Giga presses are already installed on this site. But now we see test bodies coming down the conveyor through the painting, and we notice some kind of green color. What do you think about that? Do you prefer those green colors, or do you recall Elon Musk stating that the new colors would be introduced at Giga Berlin? Now, according to Tasmanian.com's Eva Fox, she also claims that Tesla's Giga Berlin location has the world's most advanced paint shop. As I previously stated, using the new painting technology, Tesla cars will have a unique, attractive, and lively appearance, as the shop will be able to apply paint in 3 layers, giving the color a realistic depth and allowing the color to be brighter than possible with traditional paint systems. The paint shop equipment was provided by Giga Factory, a world leader in the design and construction of turnkey automated body paint shops, according to Eva Fox. With the Paradise Projects project launched in 2005, Giga Factory was the world's first company to offer a zero environmental impact paint shop. Geico's smart paint shop uses revolutionary and energy-efficient 4.0 technology to modernize auto body paint shops. It won the Searcha Chinese Innovation Award for the greatest research and innovation in the globe. This is now coming to Giga Berlin. According to Eva Fox of Tasmanian.com, Tesla is contemplating a huge shift in June at the Giga Berlin factory, and on a massive scale. 40 files with many pages, as I mentioned last week. I suppose 11,000 pages of explanations, measurements, maps, and group tables have been available at East Brandenburg offices and on the internet since Friday. Citizens and associations have another month to express objections to the project after viewing the documents. So we'll have to wait at least 2 months for the final permit, and then a few weeks for the government to grant it. Many of the photographs and material names in the paperwork have been darkened, as you may see. Of course, this is Tesla's confidential information. When asked by RBB24, Tesla has not yet responded. It is likely that this is about trade secrets and information relevant to the stock exchange, so Tesla must be cautious now. Here are some of the things that are in these new plans regarding what is new at Giga Berlin. The most important thing is that Tesla now also wants to prove production batteries in greenhouses at Giga Berlin. As I previously reported, Tesla, a California-based electronics corporation, wants to transform an already approved warehouse in the southeast corner of the Giga Berlin land into a battery-powered power plant capable of storing up to 50 gigawatt-hours of electricity. This isn't a large amount of money per year, but it's roughly similar to the annual spending of 25,000 two-person homes. The reason I mentioned not tremendous is that Tesla plans to increase production capacity from 50 gigabytes to roughly 250 gigabyte hours at Giga Berlin, making it the world's largest electric vehicle battery manufacturing facility. According to industry sources, this would be Europe's, if not the world's, largest battery facility, with Tesla CEO Elon Musk indicating that the factory will undoubtedly expand in the coming years. Tesla also wants to expand the Giga Berlin building to the existing production hall in the northern area, which will be supported by nearly 1,200 underground piles in Brandenburg's sandy soil. Tesla also wants to build a larger press shop at Giga Berlin, where primarily the bodies of the cars are manufactured, and a new section of the building will be added. Tesla has also planned peats that reach into the groundwater to address worries about rainwater infiltration. Tesla has also responded to concerns about rainwater infiltration by planning peats that reach into the groundwater. This is likely to be met with criticism from local Tesla critical environmental associations, and Tesla has also responded to concerns about rainwater infiltration by planning peats that reach into the groundwater. Rainwater falling on a factory roof or other sealed surfaces, for example, should be absorbed in 4 different areas instead of 1. So this was all. Add your thoughts in the comments section below. Hit the bell icon and also like, subscribe, and share our channel, and stay with us till our next video. We will see you soon with our next video, so be with us and go watch our Tesla Model X video on your left to see some positive aspects about it as well. Or you can also watch newly updated Tesla Model 3 2022 on your right and learn more about the Tesla world. Thank you so much for watching.